Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, which is Akansha's On World Art. So here's the fourth painting of the challenge and the second painting of Christmas uh, stuffs. So here's the snow globe that I am going to paint today, and this is very cute. I literally enjoyed this painting today. So let's start this painting and let's talk about it. So I have used just the Persian blue color at the corner of this snow globe. You just have to take some little amount of the color and just spread all over the in the inner section with the brush without the color. You just need to wash the brush, and without color you just need to take some amount of water and just spread all over the globe. Now I'm taking this magenta color, or you can see the purple color, exactly like the blue color. You just have to make a line over the globe and just dip this brush into the water and wash out all the color and just spread the color with the help of without coloring brush. Okay. And now I am making the Christmas trees near the hut. So you just need to draw just zigzag line in the parallel portion. In the starting I took the light green color, and after that I used the dark green color to highlight the leaves of this Christmas tree. Now I just took some little amount of this brown color, and you don't need to fill it on the top section, because we are making the snow all over the top section. So you just need to take some amount of brown color and fill it on the bottom section of the hut and just spread all the color. And in the starting you just need to take some light color and then outline with the dark brown color. Okay. Now I am giving a shady effect with the black color. I just took the white color to spread all over the top section of the hut, because it will give a snow effect on the top surface of the hut. just wanted to give you some tips about watercolor. Watercolors are good when you use them lesser. Okay, so you just need to take a little amount of watercolor in your brush, and then draw the line near the line, and then spread all over with the help of brush with the water, small amount of water. You don't need to brush it all over with the watercolors, because watercolors are very easy to spread with the water. So you just need to take some little amount of water in your brush and then spread your color all over the painting section. Okay. Now I am just making this leafy structure near to the snow globe. And I think I have used very easy technique today in this snow globe painting, so everyone can follow these steps. And still you find it very hard to draw or hard to paint, so don't worry, try to make it once, twice, so practice makes you perfect. So my suggestion is to you that always try to do your practice. And yes, I have told you many times, always try to use minimum color of whatever color you are using acrylic, watercolor, oil pastel, or any type of color you are using. You just have to try your painting to complete it in very minimum colors, so it will give you very creative mind and creativity in your work also. And I literally enjoyed this painting today. Not only today or yesterday, I just draw that is socks painting yesterday, Christmas socks painting, and these both are giving me festive vibes of Christmas, and I am feeling very happy to see them. These colors are very, very vibrant, so I am feeling very happy to see them. I literally enjoy these paintings, and I am very happy to tell you that I am very excited to paint remaining paintings of Christmas thank you for all your support, and I hope you all are liking my videos and like these cute paintings. I literally enjoy. I really enjoyed these paintings. So hope you all are also enjoying with me, and thank you so much for all your kind support and your for all lovely words that you have commented yesterday, and hope you will watch this video till the end, and please support my painting work, and give your feedback to me on the comment section. And also, if you want to know about any kind of related query, like which colors I am using or which paper I am using, whatever you want to know about this painting, or whatever you want to know from me, so please comment in the below section. And if you want to connect me, you can easily connect to me on the Instagram too, so please you can also contact me there. And thank you for your all kind support. Thank you for watching, and please give your feedback. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Merry Christmas to all of you in advance. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to it, and please share this video if you like this video, and please like and share with your loved ones so they can also enjoy this painting. Thank you so much for all your love. Bye bye.